Hello everyone, we are here to invite you to visit Leticia, the heart of the Amazon rainforest in Colombia. You must visit this place if you love nature and adventure. You can take a boat ride on the Amazon River and see pink dolphins and exotic birds. You should visit Santander Park to enjoy the sunset when hundreds of parrots fly over the city. You can walk through the jungle and learn about the plants and animals that live here. You must try local food like fish with cassava and enjoy talking with indigenous families. You will love every moment surrounded by the sounds and colors of the rainforest. Don't wait. This could be your next amazing adventure.